Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows. There are three ways by which we can uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows. We can uninstall PostgreSQL via the PostgreSQL uninstaller, via Windows settings, or via control panel. So first let us see how to uninstall PostgreSQL via the PostgreSQL uninstaller. To do this, go to the location where PostgreSQL was installed. So inside PostgreSQL, open the PostgreSQL version folder. So the version that is installed in this system is 18. So inside PostgreSQL, click on the version. So here you must be able to see the exe, uninstall PostgreSQL exe. So double click on this exe. Click on yes if you get a security prompt. On the uninstallation wizard, keep the entire application selected and click on next. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the data directory has not been removed. So this we need to manually delete it. So click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, so the PostgreSQL has been uninstalled successfully via the PostgreSQL uninstaller. Next, let us see how to uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows via Windows settings. So to do this, press Windows I. So this opens up the settings. Click on Apps, Installed Apps. Here search for PostgreSQL. So the PostgreSQL application is listed here. So click on this three dots and click on Uninstall. Uninstall. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So the uninstallation wizard comes up. So leave the default option, entire application, and click on next. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the uninstallation is complete now. So data directory is not removed. We'll remove it manually. So click OK and click on OK. So here you can see that PostgreSQL has been removed from the listed applications. So this confirms that PostgreSQL is uninstalled successfully via Windows settings. Next, let us see how to uninstall PostgreSQL via control panel. So to do this, press Windows R and type appwiz.cpl and press enter. So this opens up the programs and features of control panel. You click on the application PostgreSQL and click on uninstall change. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So the uninstallation wizard comes up. Keep the option entire application and click on next. So now the uninstallation has started. Wait for it to complete. So the uninstallation is complete now. So data directory is not removed. We'll remove it manually. So click OK and click OK. So now here you can see that the PostgreSQL application is removed from programs and features. So we have successfully uninstalled PostgreSQL via control panel. So we have seen three ways by which we can uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows. We have seen how to uninstall PostgreSQL via the PostgreSQL uninstaller, via Windows settings, and via control panel. So you can follow any one of these three methods to uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows. Once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. So to do this, press Windows R and type app data within percentage and press enter. This opens up the app data roaming folder. Here we need to delete the leftover folders pgadmin4 and pgadmin. So select both the folders and press delete key to delete it. So the folders are deleted now. Next, we need to go to the location where PostgreSQL was installed. Next, press Windows R and type C:\/ and press enter. Here go to the folder program files. So here we can see PostgreSQL is present. So within this, we have the data folder which contains the database data. So we need to delete this. So select the folder PostgreSQL and press delete key to delete it. So click on continue. So now the folder is deleted. Next, go to program files 86. So here if PostgreSQL folder is present, we need to delete it. So it is not present here. So in case if it is present, we need to delete it from here as well. So these are the leftover folders which we need to delete as part of the cleanup. Next, we need to remove PostgreSQL from the path variable. To do this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. Go to Advanced tab and click Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on Path and click on Edit. So here we need to remove the PostgreSQL path if it is present. So here you can see that the PostgreSQL path is present. So select this entry and click on Delete button to delete it. So now the entry is removed. Now click on OK, click on OK, and click on OK again. So now we have removed the PostgreSQL entry from the path variable. Next, we need to verify if the uninstallation was successful. So to do this, press Windows R and type cmd and press enter. This will open up the command prompt. Here type the command psql --version and press enter. So this gives the output. PSQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this confirms that PostgreSQL is uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to uninstall PostgreSQL on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.